Introducing the Habrok 4K HE25L. In the box you get your quick start guide, your binocular, charging cradle, USB to Type-C cable, 4 rechargeable batteries, and your neck strap.
What's it?
Is equipped with a thermal module with a detection distance of 1.2 kilometers, 4 color palettes, red hot, white hot, black hot, and fusion. It has a laser rangefinder that's accurate up to 1 meter and then goes up to 1,000 meters. You have your digital day-night module with a detection range of up to 400 meters. And that is the Habrok 4K. Get yours today.